What's going on, man? It's the development doctor.
You already know, man, it's your boy HD.
And man, look, we are out looking for deals. They say at the end of the year, everybody chilling and relaxing. Man, we out here looking for deals, getting to the bag. We're not gonna start 2026 doing the same thing we did last year. We starting out here doing the things that we're gonna do this year, and we getting to that bag all year. You know what I'm saying? So today we here walking the property with our sister, man. Shout out Kayla. You know what I mean? And gonna see if the deal works. You feel me?
Yep. You already know, man. If you guys want to get into our premium Discord where we're going over live budgets, showing you guys real deals, where we going in and showing you guys how to make 100K in 100 days, you already know what to do, man. Tap in, comment Discord below, and we're gonna show you guys what to do, man. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and run us up, man. Let's go.
That work, Property Bruhz, man.
Let's go.
The like deals that we have here, like we selling for $250, they're flying. Like this is cheap for Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? But it's the pocket. So in Decatur, that we're going like Lithonia and then like South DeKalb and getting those 150, 180 pickup selling for 280, 300 quick. You know, because out there people have land, they got like more of like subdivision type vibes, so it's a cool situation. So that's kind of why I like out there, but I buy everywhere, you know what I'm saying? It's just the numbers have to make sense. So we buy it, our formula, we buy it, we fix it within 30 days, it's back on the market by day 40, it's closed by day 110. Because 90-day flip rule. So we already go into contract, and then we have to wait the extra couple days because they have to recertify the appraisal. But we already done. You see what I'm saying? At 135, you can't really, you can't lose. But at 150, it's too tight.
Yeah, that was tight.
It's too tight. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I haven't really looked at Atlanta, but this is a good deal for Atlanta. You feel me? Like I do think this is a good deal.
Because he has sent me a few of them, but out of the few, I felt like this one was the best deal.
This is the best deal.
So, I appreciate y'all for coming out today, though. I do.
Austin, what you think?
Just all rip, like I noticed the unlevelness.
I told you he was gonna.
It's a smaller kitchen, so I haven't seen the bathrooms and stuff yet, but I would assume they small too.
Tiny.
Yeah.
All the windows are broken, so definitely have to replace all of
There's
them.
all the windows, yeah.
Windows gotta go.
I don't like that the house next door didn't sell.
Right.
That was my
That's the nasty part.
that was my main concern. Then I kept saying, I was like, oh.
I like the hollow floors.
The bathroom with Matchbox. And the area risky because they came in and broke all the windows, bro.
What's on the other side of this?
I think that's that little nook. That little office area, I think. Why, you was gonna blow it out?
Yeah, I mean that's the only way it'll make sense. You have to open this up.
Oh, and that.
And that might actually like freak it out though. If you close this in and then just make this like one big
Bathroom with a shower.
Yeah, that'll be
in the closet.
Because what is this? Nobody needs this anyway.
It's like an office, I guess, sitting area.
It could be, but bigger bathroom is more important. Right. Who needs that?
Especially
Well, I ain't gonna say
the main.
Exactly.
for this price point, like
I mean, well, with that perspective, yeah, it'll make it more appealing.
Yeah, I'm freaking out.
I would
Yeah.
close that and then open this up. Open this all the way up. So you have an open kitchen, like open space here. Be able to utilize it a little bit better. I think that'll make the house more marketable.
Yeah.
They're
I need
open.
to see how the inside of that one look. Because I'm just curious. I'll have to go online and see it. Because it was too high. The comps are 250.
Comps is 250.
They was selling that for 340.
Nah.
But they bought it for 200.
But see the house on the other side, that look like new construction.
Yeah.
But depending on if they can touch the threes, it'll help this house.
Right.
So it's kind of like a gamble, but they almost done.
Yeah.
So I mean,
So still the 130.
They got a deal on that one. They bought that shit for like 50.
yeah,
Yeah.
That's fire.
yeah. But then it just depends like how they doing the build, like because new construction you gonna spend at least like 150.
Oh, thank you. We got the pictures of the inside of this one.
So yeah,
Same thing he said, open.
That
Yeah.
changes the game right there. Just closing this wall and then making all of this like the bathroom.
They put some money in this
master
estimate.
area.
Yeah.
That'll make
That
this
would
house.
yes.
That'll make it worth 300,000 for sure.
Get the one next door.
That didn't sell.
That didn't sell. Yes.
How long has it been on the market for?
It was on the market for 6 months.
And they took it down.
Took it down. They took it down in May of 25, but they put it on the market was it December of 24. Oh, what they bought it for? They bought it for 200 in December of 24.
They paid 200.
That's the expired list.
Yeah, that's yeah. I don't know.
They own
They
it
all in for 250. They upside down. They bad.
I was just telling like you probably got it for like a 40 to make it nice.
Yeah, 40 for sure. 40 or 50.
Yeah. And then if you get it for one, I told it offer like 135, get a 40. Now you at 175. Now you situated because it's gonna sell 250. So that now is worth it. That's a 75K spread.
Yeah.
So-
So I'll try to 130.
130.
Okay.
I would say 130. But we got to do what he's saying. Close that in to extend that master to give you that walk-in closet and that real bathroom. Take this wall out and do the kitchen. Another way to hide the
When we opened up this window, I mean this wall, right?
Yeah.
How would I'm trying to just visualize, like how would it still be this layout with the cabinets right there?
the back wall, yeah. I mean, ultimately you'll just take the wall out and have an island.
Oh,
And
okay.
your island will have your cooktop or whatever. Like it'll be a function. You could have it either here or there, where you got the stove in the island with the hood, and like it's just a sit here and eat.
Cabinets will go around.
Okay.
And see, now they got the stove. It's about 1,500, but that's the stove that you don't need the vent coming from the top. It vents from the back of the stove going out, so you don't got nothing in the middle. It's just open, clean.
Okay, that's
You know what I'm saying?
that's because what about the cabinet? We could just probably repaint them, right? They don't look like they're in bad condition, do you think?
You don't want them to go all the way to the ceiling?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go. These gotta
Are
go.
mine like that? Are mine like that?
No, but you gotta remember, you got a $500,000 crib, like.
But mine don't go to the ceiling.
Yeah, but you got a luxury kitchen. Like, you got islands and curved sinks and shit. Like,
Okay, I never
it's different. Like,
So these gotta go. Okay.
this like an ugly girl with no makeup. Like, she need lashes, makeup, mascara. She need everything.
Yeah,
Like, you know,
This is a whole cosmetic.
it's
shop.
To
different.
get to the price point that you want, I think that will
The
be
small thing.
one of the seller points. Like you know how it is.
Yeah, no, for sure. That's just the
You're
small
a
things.
woman and you're a realtor
Yeah.
too. Like you know the first thing y'all looking at when y'all come to the crib is the kitchen.
It's just more obvious too because it's so small.
Yeah.
So like if this cabinet was going to the ceiling, we got nice layout at the bottom, nice appliances, it's gonna throw the buyer off. They're not gonna focus on how small, but it's really gonna be small. This is
We just
powerful.
do wood right here too.
We'll do the same floor everywhere
Okay, that's what
because that's how you're gonna avoid it being more noticeable.
So we're gonna get with the seller.
Start off from 135, 130, like see if they're gonna go.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And just, you know,
No
see.
more than like 140 though.
Wait, they didn't broke all the windows. We need to know if do they got that AC outside?
That's what we was. That's what we
Yeah,
was
I
talking
think
about.
That's critical because if they ain't outside, that's another like 7,000. Yeah, it's back here, but it's old.
So we would have to get a new one.
And they cut the line set anyway. They stole the copper. So,
Oh, geez. They are playing. So who steals this stuff?
the Rockheads, because they can sell it to
Oh, they sell that?
the copper. That's why they bust the walls out too to get inside to see if they got copper pipes. You just sell the pipes.
Who do they sell them to?
The aluminum scrap yard, stuff like that.
They buy stuff like that?
The metal people.
Okay.
Not for a lot though.
But do they, they trying to get $1.
Yeah, I mean, 0 for something.
Oh yeah, this is old.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. I would take a chance.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah, let's go walk them down.
Man, they might go for it. If she go first, I don't know about us. So when you walking through these areas and you're looking at potential properties, you want to walk the neighborhood. On the left side of this house, the house didn't sell. They listed it for $350. You're like, damn, that's crazy. But they paid $200 for it and put work into it, so they had to go $350 and didn't sell. And it's been a year. On the right side, it was a new construction. So we like, man, how are they doing this? If they didn't sell at 350, well, what's the new construction gonna sell for? So we decided to walk down on it and take a look. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what they got into it. So off the dump, they got 10-foot ceilings, they did accent walls,
We got Jack and Jill bathroom.
6-inch baseboard. Yup. They went Jack and Jill. This is a small bedroom, but the high ceiling play a trick on your eyes. I would have took the tile all the way to the ceiling.
Only did a couple more $100. Nice and clean finish.
You paint the rooms and walls white and make it look bright and big. Mechanical closet.
It's another bedroom on this side.
So a slab.
So this is another one. Oh, this is not even a master.
You have park? You have park?
Yeah.
No other huh?
You la pintura the road or?
Yeah.
Todo?
No, just paint.
Paint? That's weird. Why the master not? They don't got no door to the master? Like to the bathroom?
Oh, no.
What? I don't, where else would it be? That's the laundry room. This a pantry.
Oh, it gotta be that one.
No. And that's like another, I guess, closet from the carport. And that's probably a half bath.
Yeah.
Yeah, that gotta be the.
Why is no door going to the bathroom?
That's weird.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That don't.
Unless they considering that one the master. Cause
Well,
that
that's
one.
a Jack and Jill.
Jill.
This has to be the master. This the closet.
Door here.
Huh?
There's no big door here.
Oh.
So,
Still though.
well, you're right.
Yeah, okay. It's like a hallway
Yeah.
for the master. I don't know.
Yeah. They should have had like a door on this side or something.
Okay, so I'm assuming this is gonna be just the bedroom. That's the closet. That's the bathroom.
Yeah.
So that's how they got it configured. Weird.
It is right.
Yeah. So, more of the story, man. We walk it, see what the competition talking about. I think this will go for 350, being a new construction, but I don't know.
I think it would.
You think it'll go 350?
What's your think, Austin?
Muchas gracias, amigos.
Right now, that's a nice accent wall. It got
Yeah.
some nice little accent walls in there with
That's it.
the little trim, but like that doesn't change the price point to me. Like I want to see some nice
The
little finishes.
finishes, yeah.
But y'all know the difference in appraisal versus what somebody willing to pay is different.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So
I don't even think the comp supported.
I don't know how they did this.
Yeah.
I mean, they put some money and they even got the vented soffit. They ain't go cheap, like for their exterior. They got the vented soffit. I mean, they ain't go cheap. They got full 4-sided brick. That's expensive.
But they only got it for 50. The land.
Like 47.
How much you think they, just so far, how much you think they put in?
I mean, this house ain't no more than 1,400 square feet. For the build, they probably got
Probably like 220.
about, yeah, I was about to say about 2.
Already?
For the construction,
For the
yeah.
build, okay.
They got brick. They went 10-foot ceiling. Like, I think, yeah, at least 2. So if they ended at 2 and then they got another 40 on it, oh, that's scary.
Yeah, that's what I'm like.
Unless it gotta be worth at least 350. But that's still kind of scary. I mean, they'll make like 50, 60 after it's all said and done. That might not be bad, depending on how long it took.
Yeah, 350 probably the ideal. Same way with that one right there.
Yeah.
They'll probably actually get 350 because, you know, new construction, you get a little bit of a boost.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I know for sure unless they got like some crazy plug on labor, this brick is expensive to lay. Especially, that's why I think about it. Nobody really doing brick today.
Right.
Like, they might do a brick in the front on one panel,
Right.
but they not about to brick the whole house. It's too expensive.
But it ain't going nowhere either.
Nope.
This house gonna be here for 100 more years.
Facts.
Before any other house like that, we construction touch. You feel me?
This is a fact. This is a fact. This is a fact.
Can somebody get?
Nothing more. It's more of a like, how do I say? It's more of a like a figurative value. From an appraisal perspective, it might give you another 5 or 10K but it's really about the longevity. A brick foundation just has a longer lifespan. It's more durable, but from a appraisal, maybe 5 to 10K, maybe.
And then you spending that much on it?
You're gonna spend double
Not
for
even
brick
really
versus
seeing
siding.
the difference in the,
I think it's just a preference thing.
It's really a
too.
preference. That's what I was saying. Like, it ain't really no value.
yeah.
We grew up in an all brick home.
Yes.
So
I love all brick.
I gotta thank for like all
Right.
brick homes. You know what I'm
No,
saying?
for
So
sure.
Yeah. My house all brick, but that's what I'm saying. Like, you can't build it for the same cost back in the day. You use brick because it was cheaper to do, and it's more strong. But it ain't like that like today.
I'm gonna try to find some more too. Decatur. And then
Come to Decatur. We got the deals. I told you. Come on, man.
Sheriff Counties.
We got them.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see who I'm gonna plug it into.
She ready. I told you that.
I got deals. I'm having deals on deals.
I'm talking about already negotiated, ready to go.
Atlanta Santa, you heard
I
me?
know that's right. I know that's right. Yeah. So send me the address and stuff, just
Okay.
so I can see. I don't think I have to really go into it, honestly.
I mean, we already walked it. We walked it two, 3 times. The numbers is 185. Probably gonna spend like 20 or 30, max 40 over there,
Oh, really?
and then it'll go for like 300.
Okay.